It's a real nigga party, you cannot get in. What up? 25, I'm here. Yeah. Pandora's on one hand. Show me love, show me light. 25, baby, 25. Yeah. Thank you. Hear the birds chirping. The birds always chirping. Life is worth the living. I get my nose. I know my yes is being ordained for me. Life still life and give a fuck if hoes mad, okay?
Just copy the flex. They waiting on my new shit to drop. Where the fuck the toilet at? Sleeping on me crazy shit. Y'all thought I wasn't gon' double back. This life shit here amazing. I'm thanking God for where the fuck I'm at. Don't call if it ain't bout the rats. I don't fuck with all that chitter chat.
Y'all, you can record in front camera now on cinematic. That is crazy. I was today old when I just found that out. Anyways, it's TG for short. Not the long way. Yes, 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 yes. This is the start of the vlog of TG's day. TG day, May 12th. A real B day. Yeah, a real BB day. Know that.
It's a real nigga party, you cannot get in.
Okay, no, for real. Today is May 11th. It's Mother's Day. I'm still doing my hair right now, but right now I'm cooking breakfast. It's currently like 1 something, and I'm cooking breakfast. I ain't get out of the bed till like 12. I was up till 5 a.m. last night and the day before. I keep going to bed at 5 a.m. Jesus, fix it, Jesus, fix it, Jesus. I'm about to go ahead and eat, finish my hair for the day. It's time to turn up. What up? 25, I'm here. Yeah. Pandora's on one hand. Show me love, show me light. Washing my hair. Birthday in less than 10 minutes. I think it's like 5 minutes, 6 minutes. 25, baby, 25. I'm about to do my lashes and I'm about to go get ready. I might get my nails done. I'm gonna see if they can just do an overlay. I don't want no tip or nothing on my nails. So if not, I mean, my feet already done. I need to get them done again, but I don't like getting both done in the same day. So I'm gonna have to choose one or the other. But I'm about to do my lashes right now. I never even felt me doing my lashes. I had to go get lash glue from the hair store. Came back trying to hurry up. Cause like I said, I want to get my nails done or something. What the world? But they're done. The lashes are done. Yeah, I'm about to head out. Here is the nails. I can use it to model the nails. Yes, get into them. Green. Damn, I need some oil. Let me put some Vaseline on my hands real quick. The nails came out so cute. It's called Galleria Nail Spa. Galleria Nail Spa back here, as you can see. Back to what I was saying before my hands was looking ashy as crap. But here are the nails. They are so cute. I love them. These are my real nails. Acrylic overlay. Finally, this is what I've been wanting after so long. Yeah, it's my birthday. It's gloomy and rainy outside, so that's why I'm like, I don't know what's about to be done. I do want to drive to Charlotte to go out, but I don't like driving in the rain. I do not like being in the rain. I don't care for all that, being in the rain, driving in the rain, but we might have to make an exception because it is my birthday. Yeah, I just wish the sun was out. Like, God, please let the sun come out. We about to go to Charlotte. It's like 10 something probably. Yeah, it's my birthday. It's really been raining all day. It was supposed to rain all night too. It just stopped raining at like 9 o'clock. Rooms are booked up, things are booked up. They acting like Mother's Day is still today. Dang. But something gonna get done. I'ma still have a time.
Happy birthday to $1,700. I don't know why this camera is so expensive.
Dress
everywhere,
made by me.
But I couldn't find it cheaper. It was sold out Walmart.
Hair done by me.
Best Buy, sold out everything.
Thank you.
There we go. Go back there. Tilt it on. Tilt on.
By TJ.
But when you had
Say hey, Nanny.
hey Nanny.
You gonna say hey, Nanny. This is my camcorder. Oh dang, I got on
It
the
was a good game.
I was about to say, Tyler, that's not even that bad.
The whole first.
No Sleep Bus Museum.
Good. Like I'm on, yeah. Taking my daily walks, because I really need to be walking more, getting out the house more. You hear the birds chirping, the birds always chirping, even by my window. The trees look beautiful, spring is here. But yes, I'm getting out the house, doing what I need to do. Small things count. Got the potatoes, corn, cooking me a bowl. My camera be trying to get foggy. But yes, this is what we doing 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Watching 85 South show, chilling on a Saturday on my off day. Dang, yo. Life is worth the living.
Writers such as William Brooks,
Currently sewing. I'm gonna use these black little shorts that I have to basically like kind of mimic a pattern in a sense. These are like the green scraps that I had. This is the green top that I ended up making the other day. I ended up making this top. It's real cute. I'll insert a little pic or video of me with that on. I'm about to make a mood board and stuff, and I'm about to curate a look with this. Make a mood board and figure out what I want to do before I cut. Definitely do. It could be more fabric, but I'm gonna work with what I got because I ain't buying no more. Plus, I've been trying to get rid of my scraps. Like, that's been my thing. So I'm working with what I got because I've been wanting to get rid of my bag of scrap fabrics. I don't need to be buying no more fabric, even though fabric on sale right now from Joann's, but still, need to be resourceful, need to be resourceful. I never ended up showing how the shorts came out on here. I did make a TikTok of the process, but I love the way the shorts came out. I'm going to be making a lot of these in different color, different styles and stuff for the summer. These are so cute. It's 5:42 right now. I'm about to go ahead and start cooking dinner and get ready to wind down. I got my glass of wine poured. I should have brought it over here and cheers. Got a podcast going in the background, but yeah, I'm about to go ahead and cook. And yeah, I'm gonna probably do a mask tonight too. It's days later from the last time when I was filming. Last time I was filming, I was talking about a meal I was supposed to show on camera. I never end up showing the meal. Meal long gone, already ate it. This was supposed to be my birthday vlog. I was continuing this on for way a longest time. It's June now. My birthday was May 12th. It's currently June 6th. My birthday was almost a month ago. Yeah, birthday really didn't go as planned. Birthday did not go as planned. It was rainy. It was a gloomy day. I kept making plans, didn't really finalize plans. I was indecisive. Didn't know what I wanted to do. Didn't know if I want to do a solo trip, go with people, what the case may be. But it just went as it needed to go. Birthday didn't go as the plan, but it went as it should. It went to God's plan. Other than that, I'm grateful. I'm blessed to see another year. I am blessed. I'm grateful. Right now, it's summer. I don't have like classes in person. I have like my classes online or whatever. This summer, I am doing my internship. I'm right now currently looking for an internship, filling out applications. I done had 3 interviews. I got 2 interviews next week. So I just been interviewing. My no's are not denial. It's delays, honey. It's just delays for my yeses. When I get my no's, I know my yes is being ordained for me. I just have to be confident. I've been having to affirm myself that it's been many tears, many stressful nights, days, honey. Today I got up and got dressed, so I'm thankful for that. Yesterday I was sitting there. It was raining though, so I mean, yeah. But even though I ain't go nowhere today, I just walked outside. I still got up and got dressed. That's a part of my little routine. When you look good, you feel good. So I likes to feel good. Life still life and give a fuck if hoes mad, okay? I brought in my new year real chill and peaceful. Even though my birthday didn't go as the plan, I still brought in my new year, my year peaceful. It was a good time. I had a little vibe, took some shots, went to a bar. Yeah, just was real chill. I got my nails done. Just really chilling. That was really that. Just a peaceful, calm vibe. That's what I told my year. Even though it didn't go in to plan as I wanted, it still let me know that me going into it peacefully and just staying to myself, that was another thing too. I ain't talked to nobody on my birthday. I really just wanted to maintain my peace. I did take texts and stuff like that, but as far as calls and all that, I literally just focused on myself for my birthday. That's what I really just wanted to hone in and focus on. What it's about right now. Just really focusing on me, doing what I need to do for me, bettering myself, prioritizing myself, getting my goals intact, and yeah, keeping my goals intact. The goals are intact, but keeping the goals intact. I'm on a new level. I'm ready for new things, bringing in a new season, being confident in myself, believing in myself. And yeah, the hair. I'm loving the hair. Love how it came out. I definitely want to run this back. I love this color. But and I love the body wave. I love the texture. I'm done yapping. I've been doing a lot of rambling. Like I said, birthday didn't go as the plan, but it went to God's plan. It's okay. This year gonna be a good one. For sure. I ain't letting up. Thank you. I'll be back with another one. It's a whole lot of peace, love, and dopeness.
Just copy the flex. They waiting on my new shit to drop. Where the fuck the toilet at? Sleeping on me crazy shit. Y'all thought I wasn't gon' double back. This life shit here amazing. I'm thanking God for where the fuck I'm at. Don't call if it ain't bout the rats. I don't fuck with all that chitter chat.